Hi, this is John, and welcome to DeterminedParents.com. This website was created for any parent or guardian that you've ever heard say, you know, ever since they started into the X's and the Y's, I have no idea how to help my child. Perhaps that describes someone you know. Perhaps someone you know intimately, like maybe you, for example. If that describes you, then this site is for you. Here, you're home. And the way in which I'm thinking that you will use this site will begin when your student comes home with a math textbook needing help, and perhaps an all too familiar sense of dread comes over you. But if and when that happens, there is a link on this site that says, "For help, start here." I think it's somewhere over there. And when you click on that link, you can then click on the textbook that your child is using and then choose the specific section of that book where questions have arisen. And from there, you will be taken to a page showing YouTube videos and other internet resources, all free of charge, and spanning a wide variety of styles and sources. The goal here is that through these videos, you can be quickly brought up to speed so that you can then assist your students. Perhaps you and your student can even watch together. Although I want to fortify this site with as much information as quickly as possible, for the time being I'm limiting it to geometry and algebra years 1 and 2, since these appear to be the courses for which the majority of questions appear to arise. In time, I will of course expand this further. In addition, right now this site is tailored to the textbooks and curriculum utilized by my home school district, which is the Poudre School District in Fort Collins, Colorado. If your school district uses the same textbooks, then you're home free. But even if you use slightly different textbooks, you still should be able to browse the table of contents of each of the books here and find a corresponding lesson for you. I've recently purchased many math textbooks, and so in time we will expand this site to include more of these as well. Lastly, I want to encourage you to be courageous with this. Don't just pull up the website and hand it to your student. Take advantage of this opportunity to learn with your student. As a former math educator myself, I saw something that all teachers nationwide come to know, that the best teacher for your student is not any of us, it's you. So be willing to ask the questions, to be unsure of yourself for a time, and to be okay with the struggle of finding the answers, if for no other reason to demonstrate to your student that such struggles are not bad, but rather the stuff of living life to the fullest. So turn off that critical voice, be honest with where you're at, and take charge of this. Your student and teachers will thank you, but more importantly, you will thank yourself. Take charge, ask questions, and make it happen. And once again, welcome.